Today we're answering a question almost every Mac user asks: should you use Safari or Google Chrome on your Mac? By the end of this video, you'll see why some users prefer Safari and others Chrome, and which one might actually be the smarter choice for your Mac. Open Safari by clicking the Safari icon in your dock, or search for Safari in Spotlight. Notice the clean interface, the URL bar at the top, and the Favorites bar. Now open Google Chrome by clicking its icon in your dock, or searching in Spotlight. Take a look at the interface. It's similar to Safari, but with more extension options. Safari is built for Mac, so it's lightweight. Chrome uses more system memory, Sideshow, but works seamlessly with Google apps like Gmail and Drive. Next, let's test speed and performance. Type www.apple.com in Safari's URL bar and press Enter. Notice how quickly it loads, and how smooth scrolling feels. Now type the same address in Chrome's URL bar and press Enter. Compare the loading time and memory usage. Chrome might feel slightly heavier if you have many tabs open. If you want better battery life and smooth performance, use Safari. If you need lots of extensions or Google integration, Chrome is a good choice. Now let's explore privacy and security. In Safari, open Preferences and then Privacy. Enable options like Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. This helps reduce tracking from advertisers. In Chrome, open Settings and go to Privacy and Security. Here you can clear browsing data, block trackers, and manage cookies. Chrome also offers incognito mode for private browsing. Safari focuses heavily on privacy by default. Chrome gives more control, but you have to enable it manually. Next, let's check extensions and customization. In Safari, open Preferences and then Extensions. You'll find curated extensions in the Mac App Store, great for ad blockers, password managers, and productivity tools. In Chrome, extensions. Visit the Chrome Web Store to install thousands of extensions. Ideal if you rely on specialized tools for work or study. Choose Safari if you want simplicity and safety. Choose Chrome for customization and a huge library of tools. Now let's look at syncing across devices. Safari uses iCloud, open System Preferences, then Apple ID, then iCloud. Make sure Safari is checked. Tabs, bookmarks, and passwords sync automatically across your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. In Chrome, sign in with your Google account. Chrome syncs bookmarks, passwords, history, and even open tabs across devices. Safari is best if you live in the Apple ecosystem. Chrome is ideal if you use Google services daily. Now for some hidden perks. Safari is energy efficient, so your Mac battery lasts longer. It has strong privacy features with minimal setup, and works perfectly with Apple Pay and AirDrop links. Chrome is cross-platform. It works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. It has a huge extensions library and better support for web apps, and integrates tightly with Google services like Gmail, Drive, Docs, and Calendar. Let's do a quick recap. Safari is lightweight, privacy-focused, and perfect for Apple ecosystem users. Chrome is customizable, extension-heavy, and perfect for Google users or cross-platform needs. If you value speed, battery, and Apple integration, Safari is the way to go. If you rely heavily on Google tools and extensions, Chrome is your browser. Now you know the real difference between Safari and Google Chrome on your Mac. If you found this helpful, hit the like button subscribe for more Mac tips, and let me know in the comments. Which browser do you actually use? Safari or Chrome?